All right, guys, we're going to do that poem, which is called a Cinquain. So, a Cinquain is a type of poem that follows a very specific formula or set out. Now, the reason why we're doing it is we are asked to do a Cinquain in our top class workbooks on page 42. But we're not going to do it in our workbook today. We're first going to do it in rough. All right, the reason why I want you to first do it in rough is so that I can check it. So you're going to do it in rough on a piece of paper, you're going to put your name on it, and you're going to get your parent to send me a screenshot of it. Then if I am happy with your Cinquain and the way it's set out, then I think on Friday we can put it in our actual workbook. All right, so today we're just doing it rough. But anyway, just to explain, this is the formula that a Cinquain follows. So you can see here, the line 1 is a subject and it's one word. Line 2, it's a describing word, it's 2 words. Line 3 is action words, 3 words. Line 4, a sentence of 4 words. And then line 5 is just another word for the actual subject. All right, so here is an example of a Cinquain about chocolate. So chocolate, all right, that's your subject, that's the topic or whatever your poem is all about. And then sweet, creamy, those are your 2 describing words. They are adjectives, okay? Because your subject is a noun, all right, the describing words are going to be adjectives. And then your line 3 are action words. Okay, in other words, verbs. So cracking, melting, oozing. Very often action words end in an ing, so that is a clue. Allow your words for line 3, allow them to choose 3 words that end in ing. Then they are more than likely going to be an action word. And then your line 4 is your little sentence, makes my teeth rot. And it has to be a 4-worded sentence. And then the last one is another word about the subject. I like to call it an impact word because you want to end your Cinquain off with a bit of a punch. Okay, you can see there's an exclamation mark at the end. So gone. Why is it gone? Because you've eaten it. All right, now this is a Cinquain about chocolate. All right. You have to write a Cinquain about, it says here, write a Cinquain about a taxi or train. Right, I'm going to explain to you on the board once again what a Cinquain is all about. Now, I'm not going to do a Cinquain about a taxi or a plane. Sorry, not a plane, a taxi or a train. I'm not going to do that because I am worried that you will just copy me. So I'm going to do my Cinquain on an airplane. All right, so let's go. So that is my subject. All right, line 1, one word. All right, and aeroplane. All right, so that's my line 1. Then line 2 has to be adjectives, 2 words. All right, so 2 describing words to describe my aeroplane. So we can say it's huge and it's fast. Those are 2 describing words describing my aeroplane. And then line 3 will be verbs. Okay, and remember, we know they're verbs if you choose words that end in an ing. So we can use the word moving, going, flying. All right, that's my line 3 done. And then line 4 is a sentence, a 4-worded sentence. Flying. Let's put in another word here. Flying very far away. And then we can end off with one impact word, one word. Remember that last word is about the subject, okay? So I'm going to just use that word gone as well. You can use any word. You can use away, all right, or anything you want. So there's my Cinquain about an aeroplane. Aeroplane, huge, fast, moving, going, flying very far away, gone. Okay, so remember now, you are going to do a Cinquain. Do it on a rough piece of paper. I want to make sure that you understand the formula for it and that you're doing it properly before we put it in our top class workbook. So you're going to do it on a rough piece of paper. And you're going to get your parents to take a screenshot with your name on. Make sure your name is on so they'll know it's yours. And then you are going to send it to me. And if I give you the thumbs up, we can put it in our workbooks on Friday. Now, also remember that your Cinquain is not about chocolate. It's not about airplanes. It's not about school. It's not about your favorite video game. It's about either a taxi or a train. Okay, so for your subject line here, depending on what you choose, if you choose taxi, that's going to be your subject. If you choose train, that's going to be your subject. All right, guys, let's see how you do for that.